Hi everyone, welcome to my course. I'm super happy and excited to have you here. So let's explore its online program. Consists of 7 lessons where we're going to explore different body parts. Every lesson has 5 parts. First part, it's explore. We're trying to find new ability of our body and awareness. Then we're going to go to connections, directions, coordinations, and then homework. So this program will help you to increase your mobility, flexibility, and also creativity. We're gonna work on isolation, try different music patterns, and just interesting exercises will help you to be more free and conscious. So this program was built on Russian before. I just recently translated in English for you, and I'm sorry for all my English mistakes sometimes, but I hope our body language would understand each other. So I wish you a great and interesting journey, and let's explore.